So I stole my makeup in like the classic basic Alex 9 drawers. Literally, these are such a mess, but this is what they look like. I'm just studying on boxes on my stand, but I have the 9 drawers. I'm in a need of a real clear out, so I thought while I'm clearing it out I may as well just film them all for you so you know, and they are all a mess. I do not need this much makeup. I went through a stage where I like religiously collected a makeup Alex 9 drawers. So this is drawer number 1. This is what this one looks like. My makeup collection declutter. This drawer is a complete and utter mess. So in the front, in this bit here, starting off in this box here, this is just my old Samsung box, and this is what currently is in it. So I have this NYX HD strobe. This is major, you get major white light with this. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. All of these mascaras are pretty much going because they're all so old. So Maybelline Big Lash, I have Lash Sensational, Colossal, I have a Clinique mascara and a lash accelerator. All of these are going in the bin because these are from like 2016. I have a W730 eyes. I have another lash accelerator. Can you guess which one my favourite mascara was? I have a clear mascara. I have a MAC mascara. I have a W7 mascara, and I also have a mini mini MAC mascara. All of these are going in the bin. In here I have a pair of wispy black eyelashes. I am keeping these, as well as my Prima lashes, which I'm keeping. I have this Katy Perry mascara, which I'm going to give away or sell. I have this NYX eye base I'm going to get rid of. I've used it like a few times, but I just never use it anymore. I have the Too Faced Melted Matte. I'm going to keep this. I have a Murad Age Reform Exfoliated Cleanser. I'm actually going to use this. This will be good for when I travel. I have a NYX Full Coverage Concealer. I'm getting rid of this. I have never really used this very much, and it is so old. I have this Illamasqua eyeliner, which I'm going to keep because it's one of the only gel eyeliners I have, and it is actually quite good. I have a Eyelure brow tint, which I'm going to keep. I have some boxes, so I have the Stormy box and my Kylie box. I'm going to put all my products that I own in these. I have a face mask, which needs to go in my face mask drawer, which is the Bare Minerals Skinology. I'm keeping this. I have this Tutti Frutti eye cream. I've used this once. I don't know why I kept it. It's a colour I will never wear. Then I have this Becca eyebrow and Defiant thing. This is oily. I hate it, so I'm getting rid of this. Now I have this, the top part of my box, so most of this will probably be going. So I have this eye cream, keep this. I have a Barry M lip gloss going in the bin. I have a little mixed lip liner, which I'm keeping. Then here I just have like a bunch of eyeliners. So I have this Excella eyes going in the bin. I have loads of these like MAC eye pencils. I believe these are like fake. I don't know, I got them for Christmas one year, but these are all going in the bin because I just never reached for them. W7 brow, actually this is like from 2017, it's off in the bin. I have more of these MAC things, these are off in the bin. Soap and Glory Super Cats off in the bin. I believe it's dried up. I have a Lipsy eye definer also off in the bin. A L'Oreal lip pencil, which I'm keeping. I have a eyebrow thing from Rimmel and another eyeliner all off in the bin. Then the remainder in here, so this blue eyeliner off in the bin. I have a Skinny Scandalise by Rimmel off in the bin. And then these last 2 items are also up in the bin. Then I have these pack of glitters, which I'm going to keep. They're by Aubrey's Accessories, so I'm going to keep them for like festivals and fun looks. And another one here I have, which I'm also going to keep. I have some Gypsy Shrine glitter, which I'm going to keep, and another glitter pot, which I am going to keep. Moving on, I have this container full of like single eyeshadows. It's about time I clear these out. So this Lipsy Glow is going. I have this Revlon single colour, this Revlon Strobe Bar Revolution, and this other thing. I'm gonna give these away because these are all brand new. This MUA eyeshadow, which is old, they don't make this one anymore. This is in the shade Platinum. I bought this in like 2014, so yeah, it's about time. This goes. I have this by LA Colours, it's going. Another one by LA Colours, which is going. I have this Colour Experts one, which is also going. The Natural Collection. Does anybody remember when these were like the thing? I don't even think they sell Natural Collection anymore. That's how old I am. So these are off in the bin. Oh, does anyone remember when these were popular? The Colour Tattoo. I hit pan on this, but I'm putting this in the bin because I never use it and it's about 6 years old. These Barry single glitters though I am going to keep because these are actually really nice and they do come in handy. I have 4. I have one still brand new, actually 44, which I might get rid of, but these 3 that I use I'm going to keep. Next I have this Astor eye thing off in the bin. This purple eyeshadow off in the bin. This Revlon Tester off in the bin. And all of these are off in the bin. So these are all single shadows I got from like a magazine and Calvin Klein. I popped up. I have this brow thing by Essence, getting rid of. I have a Avon brow kit, which I'm getting rid of. I have this Revolution eye quad, which I have never used, so I'm going to give this away. I have this Illamasqua powder, which is broken. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to use this up and then get rid of it because I like it. Then I have these eyelashes, which I'm keeping. This set of eyelashes is going in the bin now. I have had these for years. I have a set of Illamasqua lashes, which I'm keeping. I have one new Avon kit, which I'm going to give away. I have some more these, which I'm going to keep. I have this broken mirror, which doesn't work, so I'm going to get rid of. Well, it does work, but I have a pencil sharpener from Laura Geller, which I'm going to keep because they always come in handy. Last few items in here, and then I'll look back at you later. So I have a Ciate eye primer, which I'm going to keep. And then I have a Glam Crystals, which I'm going to get rid of. I have a Revolution eye primer, which I'm also going to get rid of. And I have a Stila smudge crayon, which I'm also going to get rid of. I have some eyelash glue from Purr, which I'm going to keep. I have an Isla eye kit, which I'm going to get rid of. I have a Revolution strobe highlighter. This is used once, but I'm going to get rid of this. I have my Sleek kit, which I haven't used in years, so I'm going to get rid of this. Strip lash glue by Little Mix, which I'm going to keep because I always need glue for my... I'm going to get rid of this. I am going to keep this, which is by Laura Geller, and I am going to get rid of this by Maybelline. Items in here is this, which I'm going to get rid of. This is, they don't even sell this anymore. This was my mum's from ages ago, and I used to wear this every day for school, but I'm getting rid of this. So this is what the drawer looks like. Now it will get more full because all of the stuff has been mixed up. Then I have these items here which are to go in all the drawers once they're cleared out. But yeah, this is currently what this drawer looks like after. Let's move on to drawer 2. This is what drawer 2 is. This used to be like all of my all of my face stuff. But as you can tell, it's just completely, it's like full of stuff that I need to get rid of. So I'm keeping both of these boxes. These are for the Kylie X Stormy collection. Now, I never wear these because of the colour, but I just really love the packaging. This Primark PS contour kit I am getting rid of. It's Freedom Pro eyebrow kit. They don't even make Freedom anymore, so that's going. This Urban Decay Meltdown makeup remover, I'm going to keep this. I have the Maybelline Master Sculpt, which I'm going to keep. I have this massive kit of concealers, so I'm going to keep this concealer because it is brand new and it's one of my favourites. However, pretty much everything else in here is going. So I have a collection, Master Perfection, Revlon, I have another collection one, I have this green one, I have 2 Born This Ways, one from like Aldi, Evolution liquid highlighter, which I'm going to give away or sell because I've never used that, but everything in here is going. Next I have this one which has foundations in, so I have the Rimmel Lasting Perfection primer which I'm getting rid of, this Kylie lipstick which I'm keeping. This is in the shade Party Girl, but I'm keeping this because of course it's Kylie, it's expensive. The Maybelline, the L'Oreal Infallible, that's going. Most of these are just going because they're old. My Revlon Colour Stay is going, I've had that for years. This Maybelline one is going because it's the wrong colour. This is a Lancome tester, so I'm going to keep this because I haven't used it. This Sleek foundation's going. I have this Filforia product, this is going in the bin. I have a MAC Prep and Prime which I'm going to keep because again it's new. And then I have an Elizabeth Arden Flawless Finish which I'm going to keep because I really do like this foundation. I have this Milani foundation which I'm going to keep because again I do like Milani. And in here I just have like a bunch of random like stuff. So I have this Marc Jacobs Seamless Foundation which I'm going to sell because I'm not a fan. I have this Mint Matte Spray which I'm going to keep from the Body Shop. I have this NYX one which I'm going to put in the bin. I have Baby Skin which is going. I have this random beauty sponge which is going. I have Maybelline Master Fix which I'm also putting in the bin. And then back here, oh my god, I have all these. Do you remember when MUA was a thing? Like I had this Undress Your Skin. I think I've had this since I was like 13, so that's going in the bin. And this Revolution product I'm going to sell. It's brand new. Oh my god, they don't even make this anymore. That's how old this is. So I have a broken NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. Does everyone remember when this was like the bronzer to use? Yeah, I do really like this bronzer, but they don't make it anymore. And the packaging is broken, so I am going to get rid of this. I have a Wet n Wild blush which I'm going to get rid of. I have another beauty sponge which I hate, so I'm going to get rid of this. I had the bleached Peach Blur Too Faced which I'm going to get rid of. I have a Mini Melt Off by Too Faced, it's going in the bin, I've had it for years. This Milani eyebrow pencil, it's too light, that's going in the bin. I have this Too Faced eyeliner which I'm keeping. I have this Sleek makeup polish which is going in the bin. And then I have this hand cream which I'm going to keep. This L'Oreal True Match is going in the bin. This Anastasia foundation stick I'm keeping, well I'm going to sell. The same with, oh, that's just the box, but I'm going to get rid of that as well, which is the Anastasia like contour. I have a Stila contour, which I haven't used in a few years, but I do really like Stila. And then I have this, which I'm going to get rid of, it's so old. I have a Laura Geller highlighter, which I'm going to keep. I have a Wet n Wild concealer, which I'm going to keep. I have this Becca mini highlighter, which I'm going to keep. I have these chrome drops, which I'm going to get rid of. I have another Revolution highlighter, which I'm going to get rid of. I have a Victoria's Secret lip gloss, which I'm going to get rid of. I have an Anastasia lipstick, which I'm going to keep. I have this random thing, which I'm going to get rid of. I have 3 melted chocolates for 2 and a 1 made melted latex. I'm going to get rid of these, they're old. I have a Laura Geller like concealer, which I'm going to keep because this is good for carving brows. I have this random lipstick from Revolution, which I'm going to keep. I have my Becca Khloe Kardashian lipstick, the red one, which I'm going to keep. I have my Bourjois chocolate bronzer, which I'm going to get rid of. I used to wear this every day for school, but that was like 5 years ago now. I have a sleek fine tip liner, which I'm going to keep because I don't actually have any other eyeliners in the house right now. This I'm going to keep. This I'm going to keep. This I will get rid of. It's by Becca. And these I'm going to get rid of as well. So that's that drawer complete. I just want to say thank you all for watching, and I hope you subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye all.